Fertilizing for Dummies by Henry Teets. First thing is the 4R principle. 4 things to do when applying fertilizer. You want to do it at the right time, have the correct amount, the right place, and in the correct ionic form. Decide the correct amount to apply. Look at the recommendations on your soil report, keep what the report says, or adjust to your budget. Either way. Remember, this will directly affect your yields. What form of fertilizer to apply? This is the essential plant nutrients table, and it has all the correct ionic forms over there that the plants will uptake, and it is key to choose a fertilizer that is in an ionic form that the plant will uptake. Choosing the correct time to apply. Leaching will keep people from applying fertilizer too early. And here is an example. Rainfall goes through the soil. Nitrogen usually will leach through and get into the groundwater or even lower. If applied at the wrong time, you may not see the benefits of your fertilizer. Correct placement of fertilizers. Correct placement of fertilizer will increase plant health and yield, but incorrect placement has adverse effects. Banding immobile fertilizers near seed will enhance uptake. And for example, high rates of nitrogen in the wrong place can injure seed. Where do you begin on fertilizing? Collect soil samples and send them in to get tested. Then let an agronomist look over the results so he can point you in the right direction. Calculate percentage of an element in a blend. First, find the molecular weight of each element, then divide the molecular weight of the element divided by the entire solution molecular weight. Multiply by 100, and there's your solution. This is an example of one we've done in class. How much chemical should I put out? It's pretty easy. When fertilizing, refer to soil samples, and then you want to put on to maintain proper soil fertility. This means your plant should not be deficient in any area, and if it is, or suspected hidden hunger, it's best to take a tissue sample. Calculating liquid fertilizers. It's basically the same as dry, but with just one more step, and that's with the gallons of material. You're not going to have that with the dry. Once you find all of the aspects of this, you multiply it by 100, or divide it by 100, then multiply it all together, and there's your solution. Importance of liming. Even when you seem to have enough fertilizer in the soil, you may not be utilizing it. Liming will allow for this. Simple conversions. Some of these I've actually used in the field, others just in class. They're pretty handy. Be good to start to know them if this is something that you want to begin to do. Lastly, continued information. Pretty basic principles. More in depth, you need to contact someone like the extension office or a trusted source for further information.
Created using Powtoon.